¿cómo están? Welcome to Hooked on Spanish. Today we'll learn about the past tense, simple perfect present tense, or past tense. How do we use it? We will use it to express an action that was completed at some time in the past. Let's start with remembering the personal pronouns and how does it work. I remember I use these charts and in the same position all the charts that you will be able to match them. You have the yo here and it will match with canté. Yo canté, tú cantaste, él cantó, nosotros cantamos, vosotros cantasteis, and ellos cantaron. Then you will have to have this memorized already in this order, the same format, because the charts that are going to show you the past tense, they're going to have the same format, and then you will be able to match them. Let's see here the conjugations of the past tense. We have here cantar, and the conjugations are in red. Yo canté, tú cantaste, él cantó, and remember in the third person is él, ella, and usted. Nosotros cantamos, vosotros cantasteis, ellos cantaron, and here is ellos, ellas, and ustedes cantaron. Now we have the ER, the conjugation for past tense. Yo comí, tú comiste, él comió, nosotros comimos, vosotros comisteis, ellos comieron. The IR verbs. Yo viví, tú viviste, él vivió, nosotros vivimos, vosotros vivisteis, ellos vivieron. You have to memorize the endings to be able to talk in past tense. Now let's see some examples in sentences. I give you the chart with the personal pronouns and the conjugations for the AR. Then we have a sentence here, yo canté en el coro del colegio. Will be a good practice if you change the personal pronoun and match the conjugation. Then if you have yo, let's go to tú. Tú, what is the conjugation? Haste, then it will be tú cantaste en el coro del colegio. Él cantó en el coro del colegio. Nosotros cantamos en el coro del colegio. Vosotros cantasteis en el coro del colegio. Ellos cantaron en el coro del colegio. This is a great way to practice and memorize the conjugations. Let's go to the ER. We're using comer, to eat. Yo comí mucho ayer. Tú comiste mucho ayer. Él comió mucho ayer. Nosotros comimos mucho ayer. Vosotros comisteis mucho ayer. Ellos comieron mucho ayer. Let's go to the IR. Yo viví en Seattle por muchos años. Tú viviste en Seattle por muchos años. Él vivió en Seattle por muchos años. Nosotros vivimos en Seattle por muchos años. Vosotros vivisteis en Seattle por muchos años. Ellos vivieron en Seattle por muchos años. This is a great way to practice, and remember, repetition is going to help you to memorize the endings of the past tense. To learn more about the Spanish Class Cafe, visit us at www.thespanishclasscafe.com. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to keep up with the lessons. Bye for now. Hasta luego.